And is it going to go back, just back a 1/4 inch? What?
It'll, if you do a deep drill, it'll go back to the clearance plane, but if you do a break chip, it'll just go up to the previous cut level. That's like a chip break cycle. So
that's what I didn't have in the other software. Great.
And then you select the distance sorting type, generate. If I may ask, what was the other product you were evaluating?
It was Aspire.
Okay. And if you want to do the break chip before you do the pocket, you just reorder it, drag and drop, and now you can run a simulation. You'll notice that if I go back and slow down the simulation, you can actually see the PEC cycle taking place in here. So let me go ahead and slow it down further a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button. You can see it shows a PEC cycle.
Yeah, great.
Yep. And let's do a pause, pick to end. So we got through the break chip cycle, and then finally we want to do the pocket.
And a quick question. So far, have we done any operation that's not in the standard Rhino CAM level?
No, we have not.
Okay, great.
Everything that you see we programmed is all in the standard.
And if I then got to a point where I wanted to move up a level or two, do you have that kind of upgrade?
Yes, we do have an upgrade path available going from one configuration to the next.
Right.
Okay, so I'm going to hit save here, or I can do a save as. I could do file, or I could even say save as. I'm just going to call this revision 1. So this automatically will save the CAM data into the CAD file.